Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how DearERP works as an AI copilot inside Odoo to manage HR attendance completely automatically. Instead of clicking multiple menus, configuring roles manually, and entering attendance one by one, I'll simply give instructions to DearERP and it will execute everything inside Odoo. So what we will cover in this video? In this video, we will walk through the complete HR attendance workflow in Odoo powered by Dear ERP. Specifically, I'll show you employee creation, how Dear ERP automatically creates employee records inside Odoo, including job roles, departments, work emails, and assigned working schedules without manual data entry. And also attendance rules configuration, how working hours, check-in and check-out rules, and company attendance policies are configured automatically by the AI. Overtime and absence handling, how Odoo detects overtime when employees work beyond scheduled hours, how late check-ins and missing checkouts are handled, and how these real-world scenarios are tracked correctly, attendance reporting, and finally, how HR managers can view clear attendance report to identify overtime employees, attendance issues, and daily work summaries, all ready for payroll and management review. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how their ERP simplifies HR attendance management inside Odoo using AI. So let's grab a coffee and get started the video. Now, I will give a single structure instruction to Dear ERP and it will perform the complete HR attendance workflow for us. So this is the prompt which actually contain a multiple instructions. Create multiple employees with realistic HR data, which includes all these things, and configure company attendance settings include these things, and also record attendance entries for multiple days with mixed scenarios. Allow Odoo to automatically compute these hours and generate an attendance report that highlights overtime employees, attendance issues, and summary per employee. So perform all actions step by step and confirm completion of each stage. And make sure one more thing, it should be in execution mode. That means read mode should be off. Then I'm going to give this instruction to Dear ERP and wait. Perfect. Everything is get configured according to the instruction. So don't wait more. Let's check one by one, step by step. So what we have given here, it is successfully executed given this statement here. Then moving to the departments creation, there are three departments created. So I'll move into the Odoo and check. I have to move into the employees. In employees, there is a top bar. In top bar departments, when I move into the departments, only three departments are created yet: training HR department, training sales department, and also training IT department. Once I'm clicking on this, it is actually assigned to the employees as well. So which employee? Mike Davis. And when I'm moving to the next step here, employee creation. For employee creation, I have to move into the employees and check which employees are created. So I simply copy this John Smith name and then paste this name in the employees and check this one, demo.test. If you see here, John at the demo.test. So like this, other employees also created. Now third step is there, attendance settings configure. Settings already configured. We will whatever we will check for the next part, we get to know how these things get configured. So I'm directly moving into the attendance scenario recorded, which are available 6 entries according to the late arrival, overtime, and normal working day, and missing checkout, and other things. So I'll simply move on the John Smith and check is it configured or not. So I'm moving in the attendance. Then I have to simply remove this and I'll keep the date here, December. According to the December filter, everything is there. So I'll check the only about John Smith. So regarding the John Smith, if you check here, is actually work for 8 hours. So according to the 8 hours, the entry is here. Okay, and let's check for next one here, Sarah Lee. And for Sarah Lee, I'm simply removing this John Smith name and tagging this one. So if you see 45 minutes late, what we have instructed, 45 minutes late, this entry is available here. And also if we check about the who is missing the checkout here, so Emma Davis. So when I'm pasting the name Emma Davis, you get to know this one. The check-in time is available and checkout time is currently not available here. So accordingly, you can check with other employees as well. So next I'm moving to the automated computations performed, like worked hours, overtime, and missing data, late arrivals. So as stated here, Odoo automatically computed everything. So when I'm moving to the analysis report highlights, when you move into the reporting here, you everything get to know in this dashboard. So you may click on the graph view as well or pivot view as well. So whatever employees you tag them, just like John I'm writing here, so it is getting appear like this. If you want to see others data as well in one view, so you get to know easily. So like this, everything get configured. If you want in summary way, everything is displayed here like this in the analysis report highlights. So Lee 2 days work and Mike Chen 1 day work, which is actually calculating 11.25 total hours, and others also given. So in conclusion, what we have did, multiple realistic employees profile created and more other instructions also. One more thing I wanted to highlight here, if you don't know about the workflow, like step by step how you can check, so you can easily ask to DearERP provide a complete step-by-step guide to verify and review each and every execution step. So just you need to make sure it should be in write mode. Once you on the read mode and give the instruction, you may get to know every step whatever get configured and executed in the system. Excellent. Whatever we have asked in the read mode, it is also given. So you can follow the step-by-step process to get to know the exact workflow and how everything get executed perfectly. So this is how DearERP transform Odoo HR attendance from a manual process into an AI-driven automated workflow. No repetitive clicks and no complex setup, just clear instructions and perfect execution. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want more AI-powered Odoo demos. See you in the next one.